So what is the best thing about your barkada? Hey guys, it's back to school season at nandito tayo ngayon sa campus para maghanap ng magbabarkada and ask them what's the best thing about their barkada. And as a surprise, bibigyan ko sila ng bag of chippy, aka every barkadas go to snacks. Tara, samahan niyo ako mag-grab ng barkada. Let's go! Go! Asan ang barkada?
Siguro ano pa lang, first day pa lang namin makita-kita, parang nag-click agad yung friend group namin.
Wow!
Click yung humor namin compared sa other blockmates namin so far.
Parang may shared humor na talaga kami as a whole na.
Saan kayo nagkakasundong humor? Yung
Sa kanan.
mga team jologs pala tayo.
Yung siguro po yung best thing sa amin is we share the same interest and nag-connect po talaga yung ideas namin.
Ano kayo tigi-tigisang chippy? Guys? Yay! Wala na.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Yes! Thank you! Thank you guys! Good to see you! Thank you!
Eventually,
Guys, I am done with the student interviews and nainitan ako so nag-print muna ako ng damit but sobrang happy ko dahil napasaya ko sila with a bag of chippy. I must say, ito talaga ang every barkada's go-to snack and I'm so excited to do this more often in the future, no? What do you think?